Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wished you could play Clash of Clans on a larger screen, with more comfortable controls, even if your computer isn't exactly a powerhouse? Well, you're in luck. It's totally possible to enjoy this popular mobile strategy game on an older, low-end PC, and we're here to guide you through the latest methods for 2025. Get ready to supercharge your village from your desktop. To get started, you'll need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics a phone on your computer. When choosing one for a low-end machine, focus on lightweight options. LD Player is often recommended for its minimal resource usage, and some users find success with specific light versions of more popular emulators like BlueStacks. Always download from official sources to ensure safety and performance. Once your emulator is installed, diving into its settings is key. For a low-end PC, allocate fewer CPU cores and less RAM to the emulator, maybe 2 cores and 2 GB of RAM to start. Lowering the emulator resolution significantly reduces the workload. Also, turn off any advanced graphics features or higher frame rate options. Simpler settings mean a smoother game experience. Beyond the emulator, your PC itself needs a little love. Before launching Clash of Clans, close any unnecessary background applications that are hogging resources, like web browsers with many tabs open or other demanding programs. Ensure your graphics drivers are updated to the very latest version. Also, run a quick scan for malware. Unwanted software can secretly consume significant system resources, impacting your game. For those seeking every last bit of performance, if you have a solid-state drive, or SSD, installing the emulator there will drastically reduce loading times. Sometimes, a completely fresh installation of your operating system can also work wonders, removing old clutter. By following these practical steps, even your older PC can become a formidable Clash of Clans battle station, ensuring smooth raids and enjoyable gameplay for many hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.